All right, so are you ready to get out of the city, get away from the pandemics, the viruses, the crowding, the threat of riots, crime, police, theft, government, and otherwise, and overregulation? Are you just simply ready to retire and step into a relaxed, peaceful, enjoyable lifestyle in a beautiful, smaller home that you can manage? Either way, all of this often starts with the question, how do I get out of the city and into the country? How do I find a place that's affordable and peaceful? How do I build a shelter, for example, if you're the do-it-yourself kind of person? Or how do I learn the skills to direct other people to build for me using cheap, unskilled labor, a beautiful house that I could actually afford? And to those ends, whether you're in a pandemic, an emergency, you're having to bug out, you want a plan B, or you're simply looking to build your own house. And I'm not just talking a third world shelter with a pyramid plexiglass skylight that ventilates hot air. I'm talking about something that's comfortable in any climate. Then what you want to do is find land, a place to get on, and a ability to feed yourself either through producing income or through growing off of the land or using wild edibles. And that is exactly the kind of information that I'm offering. If you click the link below in the descriptions, you'll find 3 courses. The first one is the Introduction to AirCrete. It simply introduces you to how to make AirCrete, how to build a foam machine, and how to create an AirCrete dome. But if you want to move beyond that and you're wondering how do I survive in an emergency, whether I prepare or not, then the most rapid way to do that is to check out the Simple Survive and Thrive Blueprint, because I give you the information to immediately, with what you have in your possession right now, step out into the middle of the wilderness on your land or not and survive and live well, to provide 100% of your food needs and to be able to build shelter affordably and very quickly. And in that course is included the Introduction to AirCrete video course to show you how to make an AirCrete shelter, as well as another faster, cheaper alternative. And then a third option we have, because not everybody wants to just survive, some people want to thrive. Like, for example, if you're retiring and you're just simply wanting a more beautiful life, then one of the best ways you can do that is build yourself a house or an off-grid cabin, because off-grid represents the pinnacle of self-sufficiency and responsibility. So being able to then produce the materials and the tools and the everything that goes into a house to make it not just a shelter but a home is included in our newest course, which is the 201 square foot alternative AirCrete building step-by-step guide to building an off-grid house. And in this course, we show you how to build your AirCrete, your machine, how to use your tooling. We show you how to build the AirCrete house, build a roof, as well as build framed walls to then wire the house to install custom showers, to do your plumbing, a vermicomposting toilet system, how to design and build a solar system, right down to building your own battery packs to save a ton of money, and to be able to have something that's able to run the air conditioner that we're going to teach you how to install as well. We also show you how to catch your water and design a system to be able to not only catch and provide all the water you need from the air, even in the desert, but we show you how to then recycle that water and get multiple uses out of it before you send it down the line, so that there's zero waste from the system. So it's ecologically responsible. And we're going to show you how to put together the flooring and your basic cabinetry and use nanotechnology on this building to make it even more comfortable. And if these ideas appeal with you, then I invite you on your search to find what it is that you need. Click the link below in the description, and as you watch these courses, you'll realize that at your fingertips is all the information to get where you need to be from the city, to escape the pandemics, to get into abundance, and get into abundance very quickly, because there's no reason you should wait. You don't have to wait till retirement. And if you have worked your whole life and you're ready to retire, this is a way that you can then retire. Even if you can't lift a lot of weight, you can learn the process and oversee unskilled labor as they build this for you. And it's broken down in the most step-by-step simplistic way possible that I believe that anyone can understand. So again, I invite you to click the link below in the description and check this out, because getting away from the troubles and finding a really peaceful, enjoyable life that you can live on your terms the way you've always wanted to deep down in your heart is within your grasp. All you need is a plan, a set of steps to get you to where you need to be. And that's what I'm offering to you today. And I hope you have a really great day. I hope you stay healthy and safe. Have a great day.